Hey YouTube, Southpaw Pete here. Two things. Number one, I got this, it goes around your wrist, but it's magnetic. So you can stick tension wrenches and things to it. Very cool. What I'm going to do today is just a quick little rake session on this automotive lock that I have, given to me by Otter Arms. He's the man. Let's get to work. Insert tension, the Bogota, straight to the back, apply a little tension. Good rake here and there. Wow. And there we are. All right, rock and roll. Gotta love the tool caddy.